everyone! Look, it's a bird. The bird can sing. Listen. The bird can fly. Fly. Today we'll draw birds using fingers. Let's do some exercise first. Look, these are fingers. Fingers. Little fingers. 10 little fingers. 10. Let's go. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers, 10 little fingers, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little fingers, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little fingers, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little fingers, 1 little finger, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Well done! Today you will need paper, paint, water, black marker and wipe. Let's go! Let's draw electric wires. Электрические провода. Electric wires. One and 2. Then put your finger into the water. Then in paint. Choose any color of paint and make your fingerprint. Like this. Wash your finger. Then let's make one more bird. One more bird is flying. Two birds will be sitting on wires like this. Then let it dry for some minutes. Now let's draw our birds. Wings, крылья. Wings, 1, 2. Eyes and a beak, клюв, beak. One more bird. Eyes, beak, wings, and legs and feet. 1, 2, 3. Short sticks. Like this. Closed eyes, they are sleeping. Beak, sleeping birds. Nest. Гнездо. Nest. One bird is singing la la la. Look, we have so many birds on the electric wires. Электрические провода. Electric wires. One bird is flying. One bird is dancing. Two birds are sleeping. Oh, this bird is sleeping too. One bird is sitting on the nest. One bird is singing. Good job. Goodbye.